This is a used 2010 BMW 3 Series, the ultimate driving machine, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power convertible top, a sunroof, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, dual temperature control, automatic climate control, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Sames Motor Company is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 6001 Sandario, Laredo, Texas 78041.